40 years of activity in the compressed air industry have allowed Riem Italy to establish itself as a point of reference for products and services related to oil-free screw compressors. 4 business premises in the world, more than 50 distributors, more than 40 employees, a design department, a modern unit with machine tools, and a test bench for machines up to 500 kilowatts make Riem Italy a centre of excellence of Made in Italy for reverse engineering and manufacturing of spare parts for air and gas screw compressors. Among other things, Riem Italy is capable of manufacturing oil-free elements with power ranging from 55 to 900 kilowatts, monostage or two-stage complete air ends, heat exchangers, rotors for MD dryers, maintenance kits, control panels. The parts designed with the reverse engineering processes are produced through an extensive study of their operating principles. After that, Riem's technical departments draws the item and manufactures a prototype for the mass production. After that, the item is checked in our test bench to certify its efficiency and compliance. The production of Riem's oil-free compression elements includes 7 sizes that cover the entire 55 to 900 kilowatts range. The elements are assembled in a temperature-controlled setting using high-quality raw materials and components. The rotors are covered with Riem's patented coating that assures the Class 0 certification for the air delivered according to the current ISO standards. Last but not least, before being sent to customers, each element is tested to check the performances and guarantee a proper functioning. Riem Italy can refurbish elements of several different brands, both oil-free and oil-injected, to 0 hours with power ranging from 3 to 900 kilowatts. The department designated to assemble the air ends is made up of highly skilled technicians who work in close contact with Riem's engineering department. Each new or refurbished element is tested before being dispatched to customers. Riem's heat exchangers are made with AISI 316 stainless steel or, on demand, with duplex stainless steel. The production of heat exchangers takes place in-house in a specific department. The coupling of the plates and pipes is performed by expansion or welding, depending on the request of customers. Drying drums, rotors, can be supplied either new or refurbished. The new drums are perfectly compatible with those of the original equipment and are assembled using drying material of a top brand that is able to guarantee high dew point levels. In case of refurbishment, the entire drying block will be replaced, seals included. Riem Italy manufactures also an entire range of compatible spares that can be used to overhaul the whole drum dryer to 0 hours. The maintenance kits are made with spares that have been tested in actual services over the years and that are compatible with the original equipment. The assembly of the kits is done in-house and each kit is packed with care, supplying also a packing list that assures the accuracy of the contents. Riem Italy manufactures control panels for oil-free and oil-injected screw compressors. These controllers are compatible with the sensors already installed into the machines and are equipped with proprietary software that makes them independent from the original equipments. Riem Italy has a large warehouse of products in order to fulfill the continual increase of requests from the market.